How is it going, guys? Hello and welcome to the channel. Do you wanna know how to add exhaust and heat stains? I'll tell you my approach in the next few minutes. The first step in this 3-step process is to apply a black filter. This filter is made by mixing thinner and tiny amount of gloss black paint. The key in this step is not to hustle it. Apply thin layers until you achieve the desired opacity. Another key aspect is to study your reference images and learn the flow pattern and so on. If you like my videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you'll get notified when I post something new. Don't forget about the other heat sources, like guns, shell ejection ports and other vents. If you want to see the complete build of this Hellcat, follow the link above. In some cases, you might skip the second step, but sometimes there is a prominent lean mixture residue along with the more common black residue. To add this effect, I will use buff filter in the same fashion as I did with the black filter. I have a question for you. What kind of videos do you prefer? Vote in your upper right corner or comment below. The final step will be to add oil residue that was spit out of the exhaust. For this I am going to use shaft and bearing grease from AK. Also, don't forget to add some of the oil on the tips of the exhausts. This is all for now. Make sure you don't miss another video and hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Until next time, happy modeling!